In this video, I'm going to show you how to record only new episodes on YouTube TV, so you can save storage space and avoid cluttering your DVR library with reruns or older episodes. Let's get started. YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature makes it easy to customize your recording preferences for specific shows. To set up recordings for only new episodes, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Use the search bar or browse the library tab to find the show you want to record. Once you've located the show, click on it to view its details. In the show's details page, look for the record button. Instead of simply clicking it, tap or hover over the button to reveal additional options. Select New Episodes Only from the drop-down menu. This ensures that only upcoming episodes of the series will be recorded, skipping reruns or older episodes. If you've already started recording a show but want to adjust the settings, go to the Library tab and select Manage Recordings. Find the show in your list of recordings. Click on it and toggle the option to record only new episodes. You can also stop recording entirely if you no longer need the show saved. YouTube TV will automatically update your DVR settings and apply the changes moving forward. All recordings are stored in the cloud for up to 9 months, so you'll have plenty of time to watch the episodes before they expire. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on maximizing your YouTube TV experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope recording only new episodes helps keep your DVR organized and efficient. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.